Well, good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. It is definitely summer down here. I tell you it is. So what I'm going to do today is I have got a watermelon. I went to the farmer's market yesterday. I've got a watermelon. I have a cantaloupe. I have grape. And I have kiwi. So we're just going to fix a summer salad, keep it in the refrigerator, and eat on it for a couple of days. So we'll get started. Well, this one's going to really be juicy because the juice is already running out. Wow, it is really red, isn't it? Definitely perfect. So what we'll do is we'll just get this baby cut up right quick. All the fruit is coming in down here. Only thing I found that I'm having hard to find is oranges. And that's really weird. This is Florida. You should always be able to get an orange. But I sure couldn't find one yesterday. But I do have an orange tree out back, and I can understand because my little old tree doesn't have it has little bitty oranges on it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get this cut up right quick. You know, Tom showed me how to cut this so it doesn't take forever to cut a watermelon. Slice it however you want your slices to look. I don't think I've ever cut one that's quite as juicy as this one. And you just cut down, and then you just cut it across. And all your pieces are cut. If not, you can just cut it just a little bit more. I think that's close enough on that one. Let's get another one. Just cut. Just slice it right down like that. And then just cut it. And it doesn't take long to get it cut up. Now, isn't this an easy way to cut up a watermelon? I didn't cut it all the way through that time, so let me turn it around here and cut some more. There we go. Just rake it right off into your bowl. I don't know how much you want to cut up or need to cut up. I'm just going to cut just a little bit. And I'm going to leave the other half of my watermelon just to put in a bowl by itself, because some people may not like it all mixed up together, but we shall see. We'll set that aside, and we'll cut up the cantaloupe. The cantaloupe is just like what the watermelon is. It's really, really ripe. And we'll get the seeds out of here. And we're going to do the same thing I did with the watermelon. I'm just going to cut it down through the middle. And then just take your knife and just don't cut such big hunks. I just changed knives right quick. This one seems to be a little bit sharper. And when you get through making your salad, your fruit salad, you can always go back and recut off more if you want to. It sure has been mighty hot down here. And a cold salad, fruit salad in the refrigerator to just get some during the day sure makes you feel better. Okay, I've cut up half of this cantaloupe. We're going to set the rest of it aside. I'm just going to cut these grapes in half. Some people leave them whole. Some people cut them. The reason I like them is I like the juice to sort of blend in with the watermelon and the cantaloupe. And if you miss one here and there, it is really no big thing. One thing about a fruit salad, just take all your different kinds of fruit and mix it together and see what you come up with and see what you like. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe to my channel. Offer me your comments. And when you get everything mixed together, if you see that you think you should have a little bit more of a different thing, like grapes, or you need more green grapes or red grapes, you just cut it up. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to cut a kiwi and put in this one. And the thing about a kiwi, when you buy it, sometimes they're hard. If they're hard, you need to leave them out and just let them ripen just a little bit. But if they're real mushy, then you know that they are too ripe. A lot of people don't like kiwi because it does have seeds in it. Seeds are edible, but some people just don't like the seeds. You can even leave your kiwi whole, or you can half, any way you like to do it. I just like to do it a little bit half because I'm not going to put but just a few in there. There we go. And I had already cut up one, so I've used two. What I am making, take a larger pan, put your cantaloupe in there, put your watermelon, put your red grapes, green grapes, and your kiwi, and just give it a stir. Mix it all up. This is a half of a cantaloupe, and these are small cantaloupes. This is not one of those real large ones. Nobody here but me. I don't need a large one. And I will probably wind up giving half of this away, or somebody comes over, we'll have plenty. That is all there is to it. It's a half a cantaloupe, half a watermelon, some grapes, and 2 kiwis. Mix it all together and you have a Florida fruit salad. Put it in the refrigerator and I'm going to let it chill just a little bit, and then that's what I'll be having with my dinner. And again, around the house with Kay and Tom. Hope you enjoyed this short video and come back to see me.